Yo, what up, guys? So I came up with a great idea. I'm not gonna be uploading main point videos actually. So I'm just gonna upload videos for fun and what I do with my friends. So today, me and MsMultiawesome right here, hi. We are going to have a burp off. All right, let's get this started. Oh man, that sounded nasty. Yeah, you scared me. Alright, let me try. X. What was that? X. Oh my god. Alright. Lincoln Park. Jeez. Man, like man, your breath stank now. I know it smells like acid actually. That's not good, is it? No. Alright, let me try again. Trey. Hey, you sound like my mom. That's mean. Your mom's really nice. Not like I care. The world fascinates me. Yo, man. That was wicked. I know, I quoted, I forget who I quoted, but I quoted somebody in my burps. Alright, one more. Let's just end it with you. Alright. Bloomsburg Huskies. Bloomsburg Huskies? Yeah, man, that's my favorite college. My favorite football team in college. Me too! Ha! Okay. Well, we gotta go. Maddie just got a headache. I didn't even... Shh. This is my excuse. Alright, peace out. Woo! That smells nasty, mofo.